How to fix WhatsApp verification code not sent problem. Hey guys, in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you a quick and easy way to easily fix WhatsApp's verification code not sent problem. Let's get started. So this might happen because of a few reasons. The first one being high traffic. If WhatsApp's getting a lot of requests to log in, then your request might be a bit delayed because of that. So in that case, all you have to do is just wait for a bit and resend the request to get your OTP to log into WhatsApp. Now, if you are not able to do that, in that case, what you need to do is go ahead and open up Google Chrome or any other web browser. Then on the search bar, simply search for WhatsApp support. Click on the first link that you see, and then from there, tap on this Contact Us button at the top. Now you can easily enter your phone number, your email address, and confirm your email address. So let me just quickly do that. Confirm your email address. So I'll just copy this and paste it right here. Select your device and briefly explain that I'm not able to log in or get the OTP code. You can write something similar to this and go ahead and tap on this button called Next Step right here. Enter your phone number and you should be good to go. They'll look into your requests and they will follow you up on your email. Just keep an eye out for that. And in many cases, you can just log in after a few hours, so definitely try that as well. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. Hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.